Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to change oil on this DeWALT 3600 PSI power washer. This is the oil that I am going to use for this power washer. SA30 16 ounce of oil. This is the oil drain plug. Open this plug to drain the oil. To open the drain plug, you need a 10 millimeter socket with a 2-inch extension and a small ratchet. Put a plastic container under this hole. The oil will come out of this plug and through this hole it will go down. I removed the oil plug. This is the oil plug, and emptied the oil to the container. Opening up all the ports that says oil will make it easy to empty the oil. First, insert the plug with the hand. So I hand tightened the plug. Now I am going to use the socket. After removing the oil, you put the oil drain plug back and also put this black plug also back in place. This is the place where you add oil. Open this gray cap, open it, and add 16 ounces of oil. Now I am going to add oil. After adding the oil, replace the plug back tight.